Welcome kids to Interesting Stories. Today, I will tell you a story about Silver. Invite the children to listen to the story. The 25-year-old chef. Once upon a time, in a small seaside town, there was a young man named Silver. Silver was 25 years old, and his biggest dream was to become the best chef in the world. Silver grew up with his grandmother, who taught him how to cook from an early age. His grandmother had a small restaurant, where Silver helped her cook and serve customers. Silver loved his job, and he was always trying to learn new cooking secrets. One day, a famous cooking competition was held in a nearby city. Silver decided to enter the competition, hoping to have a chance to show off his talent. On the day of the competition, Silver woke up early to prepare. He carefully selected the freshest ingredients and spent the whole day cooking. Silver's dish was a traditional Vietnamese dish, made with simple but flavorful ingredients. When the judges tasted the dish, they were all very impressed. Silver won the competition and became the most famous chef in the area. He opened his own restaurant, where he could share his passion for cooking with people. Thank you kids for listening to today's story. If you feel good, please give me a like and a subscribe button. Goodbye, see you in the next videos.